Today I'm going to be making a simple wall-mounted candle holder for a family friend. Enjoy the video. The first thing I did was sandwich one end of my small piece of 25mm flat bar in between two other pieces of flat bar to create a bracket. Then I bent that piece of steel into a circle. And now it's just a matter of repeating the last process but with the larger piece of 25mm flat bar. The rings forged, I then took my 40mm flat bar and drilled two 10mm holes 6 cm from either end. And here I put my piece of 10mm round bar through one of the holes and welded it into place. That done, I could then weld the larger ring over the other hole and the smaller ring on top of the round bar. Then I cleaned up my edges and my welds with an angle grinder. And now, just to protect the metal, I heated it up a bit and gave it a coat of board linseed oil. And lastly, drilled some holes for the screws. This is the wine bottle I'll be using to hold the candle. I used a tile cutter with a diamond blade to cut 2 centimeters off the bottom of the bottle. Then I wet sand the edge from 200 to 1000 grit sandpaper. If you have any tips or suggestions for future videos, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, bye.